Hi guys, this is Marian from Late Fishing. Today are the perfect condition to fish for sea basses. As you can see, a storm is approaching and it's a very windy day, so the basses cannot see you out of the water. I'm using a 10-gram jig head with this minnow and my standard rod with 10 to 40 grams spinning rod. I am fishing on rocks on very shallow water. Let's go fishing. Yes, a sea bass, finally I got him. Finally a sea bass. A nice sea bass. Look at him. Okay, beautiful. Now I'm gonna release him. Oh yes, nice one. Be calm, okay, nice. As you can see, let's release him. What a beautiful fish. It's a nice sea bass. About half a kilo. Nice one, beautiful. Okay. See? Let's release him. Mwah.